Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here, in for Rob. Rob asked me to do a short video here this evening, folks. It's Monday, December 9th. In regards to the live training room, for those of you that are especially part of the Apex WealthCharts family, we have the trader funding account training room that we've been doing here for a while. And today was another example of some fun trading. So I've got gold up here on the 5-minute chart, folks, and this is using my Heikin-Ashi trading system. And in the room, once we got into the 945, we were having bullish activity. We were having green Heikin-Ashi dots, and then this algorithm at the time of the trading was a net bullish. And what I look for is the direction of the trend and net bullish for long plays. Okay, so together we took a long play right here. We also have some good formations that I talk about in the trading room again each morning, and ended up getting out here, $521 profit per account. Others stayed in until the red dot here, right here, and it made a little bit more. But regardless, it was a good, solid trade. And typically, folks, in the live training room each morning. So again, it starts tomorrow, Tuesday, at 8 a.m. Eastern, and it goes until 9 a.m. And then it starts back up at 9:15 Eastern till 11 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so lots of good trading tomorrow. Again, we also look at crude, NASDAQ, gold, and the euro. Those are my favorite. And then we'll look at outliers as well, like corn and wheat and so forth, when they're doing what we look for in the trending environment. So look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. So how do you enter? How do you register? If you click up here in WealthCharts on these three lines here. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you right here. And then what you'll see is education. When you click on education, you'll then see wealth chart events. Okay, when you click on that, you'll drag it. You can put it anywhere on your screen. I'll put it right here. Okay, and then this will be for the 10th, right? So when you click on the 10th, you'll then see right here that there's an 8 a.m. with Dr. Keith. That's me. Okay, and then this is actually going till 11 o'clock Eastern here. This is Tuesday. So when you click on that, you can then register, or just go ahead and do that Tuesday morning, and you'll be able to get on live and see. Bottom line is education at the same time I'm trading, but I like to trade to show you exactly how I'm doing it, to have funded my 20 accounts, and now I'm trying to continue to be successful by showing you exactly my strategy. So hopefully, again, I'll see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern on the 10th. Have a great night, everyone. Take care now.